Ultimate Boat Wraps here at the Minneapolis Boat Show, who just finished unveiling this 2012 Malibu MXD 22.
Granddad came home in a B-52 and a pine box covered in red, white, and blue. He was one of the brave and the proud and the few. 21 guns helped us say goodbye. I stood there in silence, trying hard not to cry.
What do you guys think?
Ultimate Boat Wraps partnered with Minnesota Inboard Water Sports on their 20th anniversary celebration. The proceeds of this boat will benefit the Jared Allen's Foundation Home for Wounded Warriors. Polk Audio donated the speakers and the amplifiers that are in this boat. Monster Cable donated all the cables and connectors to make this install possible by Ultimate Boat Wraps.
Just want to say thanks to the whole crew at Ultimate Boat Wraps. I mean, the boat is sick. Probably the sickest wrap I've ever seen. You know, sometimes those things come out looking cartoonish, but this looks like a legit tank. I can't wait to see this thing coming in the water, or coming through the water, spitting out water out the side. So thank you again. It's awesome. You did a hell of a job.
Hey honey, just talked to Jared. He loves the boat.
That's great.
You should check it out. We'll be here until Sunday.
If you would like to see more of our exciting projects, follow us on Facebook or check us out on Twitter.